Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore from the last 15 years. We all have only one skin and we are blessed with one amount of hair. So obviously it has to last us a lifetime and we have to take very good care of it. So especially abusing the hair by using frequently hair dryer can cause physical damage to the hair shaft. That means increased dryness to the hair and hair shaft breakage. So if somebody wants to use a hairdryer, what we usually advise is use it as infrequently as possible, maybe once a week. Keep it at the lowest setting that is allowable to give you the improvement in your hair's length or structure. Try to avoid high heat procedures like straightening or blow drying on a daily basis. A blast dry to just dry out 50-60% of the hair to almost dry is an okay option, where it is the device or the hairdryer is being kept very far away from the hair shaft. But if you're going to do it on a regular basis, be prepared for some wear and tear of the hair structure itself. How can you prevent it? Try to use heat protective serums which can be applied into the hair before you start doing the procedure itself. Do not ever iron wet hair, and if you're using a hairdryer also on a very more frequent basis, try to invest in some deep conditioning treatments or hair spas to prevent hair breakage because of hair drying. Other thing is to also consume more omega-3 fatty acid, biotin and zinc based mineral supplements, which is going to strengthen the hair from within, and try to reduce the physical damage as much as possible.